Classic Savory, having a meal, which is just somewhere for us to come so that we can talk to you. This will be a quick video, but as the title of the video has said, I am going back to Australia, and there are reasons for that which I'll get onto soon. So we've got the Combo A meal, which is 485 pesos, no drinks. And then there's Combo B and Combo C, and they're all fairly similar. But the idea is you get some roast chicken, so we'll get half a roast chicken, and then some of those long pancit noodles, pancit canton, and we'll get some little spring rolls and some rice as well. This place, Classic Savory, has been around for a very long time and is now like a chain restaurant. It's all over the place in shopping centres and things, but it still has a fairly good reputation as far as I can tell, and it's also got a history. People have been coming here for generations. As some of you will remember, I had a colonoscopy a while ago. It was in about March, because I'd had blood tests prior to that, and the CEA level, which is like a cancer level, was reasonably high. And so I had this colonoscopy. They cut 2 polyps off, and the prognosis looked pretty good. I was told that I'd need to have another colonoscopy in 6 months, and that I should have blood tests before that, take them to my gastroenterologist, and then we'd discuss it, but I would definitely be having a colonoscopy in 6 months. So a little while ago I had new blood tests, took them to my gastroenterologist, and we found that the blood tests were actually higher. The CEA blood tests, the cancer reading was even higher than it had been prior to the colonoscopy that I had a little while ago. So, talking to family in Australia, they said, just come home. So I will. And I'm leaving in about a week. I'll go back to Australia, get to the bottom of this, find out what the hell's going on, like why the colonoscopy wasn't successful, and hopefully get fixed up as quickly as I possibly can, and then get back on with it. But I will be vlogging in Australia, and I'll vlog from the minute I get to Australia. And I won't just be vlogging about going to the doctor. I'll be vlogging about the restaurants and the food, and I'll also I'll do a bit of travelling while I'm there, just to give you a look at Australia from an Australian's perspective, not just as a tourist, but just as an everyday Australian living in Australia.
Okay. And the classic combo A set meal.
This is the what? The classic combo A?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
This one or this one?
Yeah, that one. Oh, that's big.
Oh my god.
These are little Shanghai spring rolls. Why do we dip these in here? It's like a tomato sauce. Is the pancit good? Chicken's pretty good. It'd want to be. It's like synonymous with Classic Savory. You think Classic Savory, you think roast chicken. I'm going to try some of the pancit. not bad. Did you like the pancit? Yeah, it's not bad, you know.
It's big.
It's big, yeah.
Look.
Warai.
Marang?
Warai.
Maray.
Warai. What is it in Warai? Is it good?
Marasa.
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 Marasa. Marasa. I think I'd prefer it if the Shanghai had maybe a sweet chili sauce. This is just tomato ketchup. Em's just traded me. She's getting the rest of the pancit canton. And I'm getting the last Shanghai. How was yours?
Good. I still have.
She ate everything except the bones. So yeah, as I said, about 8 days until I go back to Australia. So I've got enough time to make maybe 1 or 2 more vlogs. I have no idea what they'll be, but I will. I'll make another couple before I leave. But I've got a lot to do. I've got to empty my apartment out and giving Em's brother a lot of my clothes and things, and because I'm only taking a suitcase back with me. So I'll give Em my fan and everything. And then, you know, negotiating getting out of the apartment and so on, you know, buying airfares and insurance and blah de blah, you know. It's a bit of a nightmare. But I'll be staying at my sister's place when I get to Melbourne, which is sort of quite outer suburban. And I think that'll be a good thing too, because you don't get to see that side of Melbourne. Most people will show you the centre of Melbourne, and that's it. So, be prepared for the real tour. Just got the bill. Right, $485 with no add-ons. That's pretty amazing. Service was pretty good. The food was very nice. It came to the table pretty quickly, and it's just past midday, and the place is filling up quite nicely. We're in SM Light Mall. Yeah, I'd come back again. Would you come back again? I'm asking him. You would? I would. It was good. Thank you.
Thank you for dining yesterday.
Thank you. That was good. Where's my dining companion? How was it out of 10? 10 out of 10?
7.
7 out of 10. Yeah, that's about right.